famous cyber Amos. All things tech. Alright guys, so let's start by downloading Davinci Resolve package by clicking this button. Once you're in Davinci Resolve, scroll down until you see free download now. Once you click on it, wait for everything. Now at Davinci Resolve 20, click on Linux and fill up the form. Once you're done, click on this button to download, and once you have downloaded, you can check. I have my download in the downloads folder. It's already here. Okay, so now we scroll down, you'll see all of it that we've already done. So click on this button to download the Make Resolve script. Download this. Once you're done, you can check inside. Here in the downloads folder, I have two of this zip file here. Now extract them. So once you've extracted, you'll see there are two of this. Now move this script to this folder. In this folder right now, you'll see three of this inside. Okay, so now we are done. Let's scroll down here and we'll see these two code right here to run Make Resolve DB. Go to your terminal and now copy this code and then paste inside the terminal. Put in your password and let it run. Okay, so now let's go to the second code and copy it. Then we'll paste it inside the terminal. So remove the extras. Sometimes you'll get this extra, remove it, and then press Y and run. Okay, so once you're done, go back to the main page. Now scroll down. You can skip the first one, and here's the nvidia graphic driver. You can go to my other video to see how to download it properly, to install it. Then you'll see here we have already done the extraction. So now we'll go into .deb. We are now going to create .deb file by copying this code. Then go back to the downloads folder here, shift right click on it and open in terminal, then paste it in and enter and let it run. This will take very long, either 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours depending on your machine. Once it has already done this, you'll see there's no error. Okay, so now let's go to the last one. Copy this code and go to the terminal, paste it in and run. Okay, so this will take another 30 minutes or 1 hour. So once you've done it, go and search in your start menu Davinci and you can test it out. It should work now. Everything should work. Alright, so here it is. So now let's try it out. Okay, everything looks fine. So I'm going to test it out by using this clip right here. And let's run it. Okay, it looks fine. Alright, so if we try to put in MP4 videos, it will not work, as you can see, because it only works with .mov. Okay, so how do we do it? First, we'll go into the downloads folder and we create new folder called convert. Okay, now we'll copy in any video of this mp4 that you want to convert, and I'll paste it in. Now we'll create a new document called convert underscore mp4 underscore to underscore mov dot sh. Okay, right click, properties, go into the permissions and click allow executing file as program. Once you're done, save it and go inside, paste this code. Code is in the description below. Shift right click, open in terminal, then paste this and then type in ffmpeg, then copy this to install this ffmpeg in order to install these add-ons. Once this add-on is available, now you just copy this file name and / paste this, and it will convert your video. Now your video will be inside this transcoded folder that it auto created, and now it's .mov as you can see. So if you were to move this inside Davinci, now it will able to read it. Famous cyber Amos, all things tech. Alright guys, so here's two ways to install nvidia. The first way is easy, the second way is harder. So please like, subscribe and comment. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber Amos signing out.